Hey guys, it's me Beanie. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, it's been a long time since I've posted videos. So my last video that I posted was 2018. It's currently 2021. You obviously all know that. I've gotten way older now. I'm 4 years older since the last time I posted, I think. So yeah, I got a cage behind me, and you can see my rabbit is up there. His name's Bolt. He's my rabbit. He's a boy. Yeah, he's adorable. I call him Buffy. So yeah, hi. So on Thursday, my last day of school, super excited for that. And on Wednesday, I have the dance recital, super excited for that. And then what do I? Oh, tomorrow's Wednesday. Today's Tuesday right now. So like, yeah, end of school year, exciting things. Sunday, I'm doing mini golfing with my best friend, I can't say, I guess again, Brooklyn, my best friend Brooklyn, mini golfing, we're going mini golfing. So yeah, I'm super excited for that because it's like really fun. I see her every day at school, except on Sunday. That's gonna be like, the last Sunday that we just had was the last Sunday that we would have, and then come back to Monday with school. And last Friday that we just had, that's just for me, was the last Friday that we had of school because I end on Thursday. So yeah, it's like super sad though. It's fine. So next year gonna be awesome. So yeah, super excited. So hey, so guess what time it is? Room tour time, because all my videos were in the dining room. Dining room has changed. I'll hopefully get a chance to show you the dining room. So yeah. So let's start off with the room. There's Bubsy. You see his cage and his carrier right there. I got a nice little rug. You walk farther and you see these nice little shelves on my wall, which has plants. So yeah, pretty cool. Let me turn my light on. Okay, oops, there's me when I was younger with my friend Charlotte. So that's a plant, obviously. More plants. So this shelf is like my bookshelf, and down here we have charades and my pink elephant. Let me show you him. I mean her. I don't know. Looking nice. Pinky elephant. Okay, so we got my desk over here. I have two posters for some reason. I got my water bottle, my LED light remote, so my desk, my camera bag. So I need to turn this off. There's my plant, my tissue box, another plant, diffuser right here, tape, essential oils to go in the diffuser, and then this little star thing, pencil holder. And in the drawers is like my these first two are like pencils and stuff. See, this stuff is random junk, and then this stuff is my painting supplies. Pretty cool. And then in here is like more art supplies and random stuff. And then over here we have Bolt's bed and my bed with my elephant. So yeah, it's very bright over there because my light's on. There's my fan, my LEDs are on. So yeah, that's a little quick room tour that I got for you. So yeah, quick re-show. Yeah, so pretty cool. And then here's Bolt. Yeah, he's cute. Okay. There's food and water, and then toys, and his pee pad, and then hay down there. So yeah, nice little room set up here we got. So yeah. Well, that's the room tour. That's all I have for you for the room tour, but anything else I don't know of right now. So that's all I got. Let's see, what else do I have to tell you? I don't know. I don't have anything else to tell you. That's just a short little video. Room tour, I guess. You know, jazzy doo-doo-doo. So, this will hopefully be posted by Thursday, Wednesday, or tonight. Which tonight is Tuesday night. So, really hope so. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!